So we have a 2003 Dodge Dakota pickup. Has 101,000 miles showing on the odometer. It's got the V8 in it?
No, I think it's a V6.
V6? Automatic or
Automatic.
automatic transmission?
Two-wheel drive.
It's two-wheel drive pickup. Pretty nice shape. Looks like it's been garage kept, one owner truck.
Yep.
Right in the center, I think, on that one. Pick straight up. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Yeah. 3.7 V6.
Yeah, 3.7 V6.
I mean, it's clean. He did this.
It's nice shape, yeah.
He's getting bad in his ways, but he wouldn't stop driving.
Yeah.
This is the last time he drove it.
Oh, got a little wound on this corner.
Yeah.
Didn't see that before. Is the key in?
Yep.
I'll just turn the odometer on to show the odometer reading. $101,583.